Hey there! So, you've run into a bit of a problem with compressing your video files, huh? It seems like you've set up a script to handle the compression process for all your files in a folder, but you keep getting prompted with "a file already exists, overwrite" message. Even when you choose to overwrite the files, the script doesn't seem to cooperate because it can't write to a file from within the same file. Tricky situation, right? Now, let's dive into the solution to your file compression conundrum. In the provided code snippet, there are a couple of key adjustments that need to be made to ensure everything runs smoothly. First off, avoid using numerical values like 0 as variable names since they may conflict with predefined batch file variables. Instead, opt for something like code_x equals compress code to maintain clarity and prevent any unexpected issues. Additionally, when specifying the output file name in the loop, utilize code%%ni_x.mp4 code to correctly modify the file's name without extension for your compressed output. Building upon the initial adjustments, it's essential to grasp the concept of parameter extensions for file names. Utilize code%nicode to extract the file name without the extension and append your desired suffix, code_xcode, followed by the .mp for extension. This approach ensures that your output files are appropriately named based on your compression requirements. Remember, mastering parameter extensions can significantly streamline your file manipulation tasks and enhance script efficiency. Expanding further on the script refinement process, consider incorporating recursive functionality to tackle video files across subfolders seamlessly. By integrating the R option in the loop configuration, you can extend the compression operation to encompass all video files within subdirectories. This comprehensive approach ensures thorough file processing while maintaining the specified compression parameters for each video file encountered. To summarize, optimizing your batch script with the prescribed adjustments and leveraging parameter extensions effectively empowers you to efficiently compress your video files with FFmpeg. By implementing these refinements and embracing recursive processing, you can streamline the compression process and manage video files across folders effortlessly. Good luck with your file compression endeavors, and remember, batch scripting prowess is key to conquering those video compression tasks like a pro. And that's a wrap. Remember to like, subscribe, and share your thoughts below. Until next time, keep scripting and compressing those videos like a champ.